to change captain on FC Mobile 24. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how you can change your captain on FC Mobile 24. So let's get started without any further delay. But before getting started, now I want you to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So let's begin. After opening your FC Mobile, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. What you need to do is tap on this club option at the below. You can see this club option at the side of play. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, just tap on this box with all of the players that says my team. So here you need to go to team editing at the left side of the screen. You can see this team editing option at the very last. I want you to tap on that option. After tapping on it, you will be able to see a bunch of options here on the below, like formations, roles, skill moves, lineups. I want you to tap on roles. After tapping on roles, you will be able to see another bunch of roles here, like captains, short, free kick, long free kick, left corner, right corner, and penalties. You may set accordingly. For now, we're going to change the captain, so I'm going to tap on this captain option. After tapping on it, you will get a list of players here. So right now you can see Foden is someone who is my captain right now. In order to change the captain, I need to tap on the person I want to change it to. Let's say I want to change my captain into Walker. I'm gonna tap on that person, that name, and here tap on confirm. After confirming, you can see I have changed my captain. In the same way, if you follow the steps, you will be also able to change your captain in FC Mobile 24. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.